Hi, hello, how are you? What's going on? Today my day 10 of 90 day English speaking challenge. Why a daily walk can improve your English? When you walk, your brain gets more oxygen and your stress level go down. That means it's easy to focus, remember and new word and thinking English. You might even find yourself coming up with ideas of sentences more easily with walking. Walking is a perfect in time to listen to English podcast, audio or language lesson. Your body is active, but your mind is free. So use that time, absorb English naturally. Even 20-30 minutes a day add up quickly. If you're shy or don't have someone to talk to, walking alone is a great chance to talk yourself in English. You can describe or can see what feel or revive that you learn.